Hey friends, welcome back to the channel today. Today I'm staying at the French Quarter Port Orleans Resort, moderate resort here at Walt Disney World, and I just want to take a moment just to take you inside and let you see what the accommodations looks like. We have a twin queen bedroom, and let's go inside and let's take a look around. As we entered the room, very nice New Orleans style. We're greeted right away with this cute little hidden Mickey, like the beads, like you would see at Mardi Gras. Nice big television, ceiling fan, very nice. And I love these beds. These beds are very nice, man. Look at that design on there, it's pretty cool. Very nice color, pretty roomy. Nice floors. Look at that fancy air condition. Check that out. And I guess these designs on these drapes here is kind of like beads, like Mardi Gras. Hey. Then we go over here to where the TV is. We must have, this must be the refrigerator. And there's your fridge. And then you have all your drawers here for your belongings, clothes. Have us a coffee maker here. We got some, Joffrey's coffee. You got some green tea. Have your cream, things like that. Over here we have some power outlets and 2 USB plugs, and then on the opposite side we have another couple power outlets, USB plugs to charge your phone or whatever you need to do. Have some hangers here where you can hang your jacket or whatever, some hats, maybe your Mickey ears. And that is very New Orleans, the design up here on the frame. That's pretty cool. And this is more Mardi Gras bead style closures. It's pretty cool, man. I like this. I like the art. Here's your thermostat for your room. This here is a new one for me. I don't think I've ever been to a Disney World resort where it's set to 72. It seems like every time we come in, it's always 68. Just freeze you to death as soon as you come in the door. Yeah, I like these beds. This is really, really fancy. I like that. And I'm going to tell you, they feel pretty dang good. I bet I sleep like a king on these things. And over here we have our lights for the individuals for both beds, and this here will do this side. And then these two switches here in the middle is actually for your fan. So the top one is for the light, and the bottom one is actually turn the fan off. Have this little sitting area here. We have a hair dryer. Couple towels right there. Some more New Orleans Saint style design on the wood. Got some H2O soap. Some H2O plus body lotion. More plugs. Got your little mirror there to pretty yourself up. Another towel, drying station. More places to hang coats. Got your extra pillow up here, which is always cool. Good to have. Do a little bit of ironing if you want. Here's your ironing board. And then we come in here to the bathroom. And oh, that's the, I think that's like the Prince and the Frog, right? There's the frog, there's the crown. Got the heart. So that's kind of what they went with, which makes sense. Move this back. And there's the shower. It's like a rain shower. Those always feel really good. Very nice tile design. And then right here we have our shampoos, body wash, and conditioner. And I always love using them. They always smell so good to me. It's a preference, that's for sure. There you go, man. Nice low tub, so even if somebody, you know, has a hard time getting in and out of the tub, it's not very tall. I don't know if you can see that on my leg, but it's a very low tub. And then you got your towels. And good to go. I just wanted to give you a quick view of the room. So if you decide to ever stay here at the French Quarter, or any, I guess the Port Orleans French Quarter rooms, this is kind of what you're looking at. As you see my cute little Yoda bag, he is ready to rock and roll. He's gonna have fun this week. We're gonna do a lot of fun stuff. So there you go. I'm gonna give it one last little spin. Let you see everything. And that is good to go. I gotta say, I really do like the grounds here. It is beautiful out here. I mean, just look at that. Alright guys, this will conclude my little walkthrough video today. I do look forward to doing like a resort walkthrough as my vacation progresses. And yeah, I hope this is helpful for you. Until next time, I'm the Hitchhiking Yeti, and I will see you again soon. And oh yeah, by the way, if this is helpful and you like this video today, please subscribe, and I will see you in the future. Bye.